In this video, I will show you how to connect Wix website to Google Analytics. So to get started, go ahead and open your Wix website on your browser. Make sure that you're signed in into your account and that your website is already live or launched. And here you'll be able to find your link. So go ahead and copy the link into your website. You can also click on that and view your website and copy from there. Go ahead and copy the link of your Wix website. Now, after you have copied the link of your Wix website, you can simply go ahead and head over into Google Analytics. Now, make sure that you're signed in into Google Analytics. And here, go ahead and click on the Add Stream button under the data streams to be able to add a data stream. So, select Web from here since Wix is a web website and click on Yes to confirm this. In this section, go ahead and paste the link to your Wix website and remove the HTTPS section. After that, go ahead and give this a stream name. So I'll give this a name. After that, you can go ahead and enable this measuring section, configure this enhanced measurement further, and click on Save to save this settings for your Google Analytics for this data stream. So just go ahead and save this and click on Create and Continue. After you have created this as your data stream, this will pop up on your screen. You'll need to set up a Google tag into your Wix website. You can install with Wix automatically by clicking on Install with Wix and click on the Next button. Now, on the next page, you'll be able to find the steps that you'll need to follow to be able to install your Google tag into your Wix website automatically. So you'll need to follow the steps included on this page to make sure that you actually incorporate Google Analytics into your Wix website. So you'll need this Chrome extension along with that. You can also manually incorporate your Google tag code into your Wix website by heading back and click on Install Manually. You just need to copy this code and add it to the head element of each page of your Wix website. So just go ahead and head over into your Wix website. Click on the Edit Site button. So that will redirect you into the Wix website that you have. So on this page, you'll be able to find this. And here, go ahead and click on the top left corner of your screen. Click on the plus button at the top left of your screen to be able to add an element into your Wix website. Select Embed and Social to be able to embed the code that you've got from Google Tag Manager. So click on Embed and Social. Now go ahead and click on Custom Element. So click on the plus button beside the custom element and you'll be able to add a field where you can actually put the Google Tag Manager code. You'll need to put it for every page that you have, and take note that to be able to add that, you'll need to upgrade your plan on Wix to Premium. That plan will allow you to simply embed code into your website, and that is how you can simply connect Wix website to Google Analytics.